432 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 11th October. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 11th October, 426 people recovered in last 24 hours. 8 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 38,366. Total active cases in the state stands at 4,656. Total recovered cases stands at 33,203. Total 507 deaths are reported till 11th October. Goa's recovery rate is 86.54%. Total samples tested till 11th October are 2,71,962. Breakup of total 4,656 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 114, CSC Sakre 253, CSC Pernam 170, CSC Valpai 176, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 237, USC Panji 172, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 106, PSC Petki 70, PSC Kandolem 229, PSC Kansarvarnam 62, PSC Korwae 105, PSC Kolem 186, PSC Chimpal 286, PSC Sholem 185, PSC Porvorim 298, PSC Mayam 31, Travelers by Road Flight Train 1. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 113, CSC Kankona 130, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 297, USC Vasco 263, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 62, PSC Kansavlim 96, PSC Chinchanem 32, PSC Kortalim 149, PSC Kurtorim 69, PSC Lutolim 64, PSC Marsam 61, PSC Kapam 110, PSC Sangam 100, PSC Shirada 41, PSC Darbandara 73, PSC Ponda 234, PSC Navilim 81. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 11th October are as follows. District North, total capacity 545, current vacancy 196. District South, total capacity 1006, current vacancy 758. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.